everyone, it's Miss Parkinson here. I wanted to check in with you all and see how everyone's doing. I know that we're all kind of stuck inside right now and it's kind of gloomy weather outside and we're all a little bit anxious and maybe stressed out about just what's going on right now in the world. And I wanted to come on here and share a little bit of joy and happiness, and I'm going to be doing some videos of gardening and planting and growing things. For me, gardening and growing food brings me a lot of joy. It makes me feel relaxed. It makes me just really happy. And so you might be able to garden along with me at home. You might just have to watch. It just kind of depends. But either way, I hope that you enjoy these videos, and feel free to comment and send me questions. I just wanted to spread a little bit of happiness and joy during this kind of scary time. So today is National Plant a Seed Day, and so I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I'm doing here in my apartment to get some things growing. So obviously it's still pretty cold outside. It's still not warm enough to plant most things out in the garden, but we are able to start seeds indoors. Now is a really good time to be starting some different types of seeds for vegetables that you might want to plant outside once it gets warmer. So I want to share with you guys what I have going here. So if you can see this, I've got a little grow light set up here with different bins that are covered with plastic wrap. So I'll show you what I've got in here. So nothing's really growing yet, but in here I've just got some egg cartons, some yogurt containers, and these are little coffee pods that I dumped the coffee out of. And I've just got soil in here, and I planted all sorts of different things. So in this one we've got tomatoes and beets and broccoli growing. Same thing in here, we got some tomatoes, some basil, and then in this one we got some peppers growing. It's kind of hard to hold this, but anyways, I've got lots of things that I've just started to plant. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I did this. So right now is obviously not a great time to be going out to a whole lot of stores, but there is a lot you can do with what you already have at home. So I did go out and I bought some packets of seeds just from Home Depot. They also sell seed packets at the dollar store and a lot of grocery stores. But if you don't feel like going out and buying any seed packets, you can find seeds in a lot of the things that you're just eating at home. So this is just cut off of a red pepper, and there's some seeds in there that I'm going to go ahead and take out. So I'm just going to pick out a few of the seeds, and we're going to use those to plant today. We're going to see how this goes. Now, as far as what to plant in, you don't need any sort of a fancy pot or anything like that. I'm just using yogurt containers and, like I said, little coffee pods. These are nice because they already have the hole in them. And these are just, wasted plastic. When we throw them away, we're, not really helping our earth by throwing away all this plastic, so we might as well reuse it. Now with the yogurt, something like a yogurt container, you do need an adult to help you cut a hole in the bottom. The reason why you need a hole is because if you have too much water building up, it can cause the roots of the seed in the plant to actually rot. So you want good drainage. You want the moisture to drain out the bottom. So I'm going to plant in this yogurt cup right here. I've got a hole in the bottom. And the soil is a special type of soil. It's a seed starting mix that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart or places like that. I'm not sure how it would work if you just went outside and dug up some soil from the yard outside. I really don't know. That could be something that you could try and experiment and share with me how it works. But I'm going to be using this mix. It's really light and fluffy, which is important because we want to give the roots a lot of space and a lot of air to help them grow. So I'm going to pour out some of this into a little container here. And I'm going to go ahead and just scoop it into my little yogurt cup all the way to the top. And I'm not really going to pack it down. I'm just going to kind of let it be light and fluffy. And now I'm going to get some water to spray it and just get it kind of moist. We want it to have we want our seed to have like a nice moist home to grow in. So I'm just getting it a little bit wet. Now, I'm just gonna make a little, it's kind of hard for you to see, but I'm gonna make a little well with my finger. And I'm just gonna drop in a couple of pepper seeds. I'm gonna put 3 in there. And then just cover it up with more of the soil. Cover it up and give it another spray. And now it's gonna be really important to find a sunny spot to put this in. I obviously am lucky that I have one of these lights from school, but if you don't have one of those at home, because most people don't, you can just find a sunny window to put your little seedling by. Now, another thing that's going to help the seedling grow is by covering it. And I have mine here covered with plastic wrap, but you can also use, like, this was a salad container. You can use these. A lot of food comes in containers with plastic packaging. So if I were to just set this on top of my plant, it creates like a little mini greenhouse. And that's gonna help the moisture build up, and that's going to help keep heat inside. That's going to give my little seed a lot of what it needs in order to germinate. And when it germinates, I'm going to take this off and let it just be exposed to the air. But until it germinates, meaning until it pops out through the soil, I'm going to keep it covered with plastic and keep it in a well-lit space. So all of my seeds that I have here are still working on getting to the germination stage. So they haven't yet popped out of the soil. Once they do, I'm gonna uncover them. But I'll be posting on here just little updates to show you guys how my seeds are doing. And I'm hoping that you can do some of this at home, because it is really just a nice way to, just having something that's growing around you is just very relaxing. And for me, it brings me a lot of happiness and joy. So I hope that it brings you some joy too. So stay tuned. I'll be posting updates as my little plants grow, and I'll share with you guys what's going on. So I hope you check back in, and I hope everyone is staying healthy and staying happy. We miss you, and we can't wait to see you soon.